Good day everyone, my name is Romer Lawrence Elawan. I will now present to you my mind mapping. Connection of ICT concept. ICT or Information and Communications Technology is an extensional term for information technology that stresses the role of unified communication and the integration of telecommunications and computers. Communication technology is the transfer of message, information among people and or machines through the use of technology. This processing of information can help people make decisions, solve problems, and control machines. Let me discuss the 8 examples of communication technology. The first example is the phone. The phone is one of the core communication technologies that most professionals have readily available. Next is email. One of the most popular forms of communication technology is email. Others are blogs, social media, vlogs, broadcast, live stream, and online chat. Let's move to the next concept. Software is a set of instructions, data, or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. It is the opposite of hardware, which describes the physical aspect of computer. Software is the programs that are needed to accomplish the input, processing output, storage, and control activities of information system. Computer software is typically classified into two major types of programs: system software and application software. We have 8 software examples: COS, Microsoft Defender, Linux, Windows 11, Windows Disk Cleanup, Google Drive, Tadois, and Asana. Next concept we have hardware, opposite of software. Hardware refers to the external and internal devices and equipment that enable you to perform major functions such as input, output, storage, communication, processing, and more. Hardware refers to the computer's tangible components or delivery system that store and run the written instruction provided by the software. The software is the intangible part of the device that lets the user interact with the hardware and command it to perform specific tasks. Hardware refers to the physical elements of a computer, also referred to as the machinery or the equipment of the computer. Examples of hardware in a computer are the keyboard, the monitor, the mouse, and the processing unit. However, most of the computer hardware cannot be seen. It's inside the computer case. Then we have another concept, the ICT transaction. ICT transaction means any acquisition, importation, transfer, installation, dealing in, or use of any information and communications technology or service, including ongoing activities such as managed services, data transmission, software updates, repair, or the platforming or data hosting of application for. There are 6 examples of transactions: sales and cash from purchases, receipt of cash from invoices, the purchase of assets, payments on loan payable to a creditor, receiving money from a creditor, cash payments to suppliers. Next concept is cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. Large clouds often have functions distributed over multiple locations, each of which is data center. Next is internet access. It's the ability of individuals and organizations to connect to the internet using terminals, computers, and other devices, and to access services such as email and the World Wide Web. Lastly is the computer data. is information in a form that can be processed by a computer. Data is the plural of Latin datum, something given in scientific use. The word data is often considered to be a plural noun, meaning pieces of information. Okay, that's all of my mind mapping. Hope you listen and understand. Thank you.